so high we cried. And you looked like heaven in the passenger seat, but life just passed us by. 'Cause we weren't meant to be, but you still got a piece of me. Ooh, and I know you hate my guts, but I swear I mean it, love. I hope you're happier now, now that I'm gone and moving on. I know you wish I was burning in hell, and all you want is the memory lost. And I still think about you sometimes, when I'm fucked up in the middle of the night. You wish I was burning in hell, but I still wish you well. I hope you're happier now, 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 I hope you're happier I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is the one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out.
What's up guys, it's Frogfitter, and this is one of the cheapest laptops that you could buy in 2015. It also happens to be one of the worst, but 2015 wasn't home to just one crappy thin and light laptop. There just so happened to be another crappy thin and light laptop released in 2015. Windows by default takes up half of it. I deboarded this OS a bunch, so there's a lot more free space, but even in 2015, only having half of your storage usable and only 32 gigs of storage on a laptop was too much.
Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero? I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.